Hi, everyone. My name is Kate Kramer, and I'm the co-lead for the industry working group here.
And I'm Matt Plyle. I'm the other co-lead of the working group, and the work that we're presenting today is funded by the National Science Foundation. The mission of the industry working group is to support knowledge exchange between industry and academia, because we want to grow the micro nanotechnology technician workforce pipeline and increase enrollment in our respective MNT education programs.
The main goal of the industry working group is to create deep industry education alliances. So bringing our industry partners and our educational partners together with the focus of supporting student success in our respective programs and after graduation.
So we focus on a number of different things. We want to establish a strong and engaged business and industry leadership team. We call that the BILT. We want to create and implement program activities to connect companies with students. And we want to align micro nanotech education with evolving industry needs. So we want to stay ahead of the industry needs so that we can prepare our students for the future.
During our working group breakout sessions, we're going to be focusing on a number of different things. We're building up a pro forma KSA list focused on microsystems, and our group will be reviewing those KSAs before sending them over to our BILT for an official voting process. We're going to continue working on our industry mapping to identify and build relationships with industry partners. And we're going to be doing some year 2 goal setting to make sure that our goals are still aligned with the work that we want to be doing as an industry working group.
So make sure you join our group. We're a fun crowd, and we're looking forward to meeting some new folks and some new members for the industry working group. So you can reach out and contact either Kate or I at the emails below. Thank you very much, and have a great session.